Sanmonani and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are all doing good. So you guys, Ubongani Lovalo recently had a nice Q&A on Instagram, just opening the floor to hear what women want to say to him, because nyazi ukuthi women have shown interest kuBongani since iqala ishow Married at First Sight Mzansi season 2. So, Kesanas, this is what women are curious about when it comes to Mr. Lovalo. Omunye uthi, so you don't like a white pedicure? Aphenduleke uBongani athi, I love a good pedicure. I think the toes set the tone. Kayizini shithi lento yakhe akakayiki. Namanje usakhala ngama toes. I just think there are things that a man can like, but he doesn't have to voice it out. Into nje angayibuka kumuntu wesifazane and just say like ma umuntu nje uthanda izinqa, you can't be like ngithanda izinqa enkulu and all of that. It's something that you keep inside of you, and mawubona usisome kahle and you're like, yeah, now this is my type. Ayike athi omunye anonymous, I'm going to ask you out. Athi-ke uBongani bathe ngingadlaleli ngaphandle obani, your sisters, your current partner, like who are you single or not? I think that's the most interesting question that I would want to ask him if I were to ask. But I'm not saying that I'm one of these anonymous people. No, I'm not. Uthike omunye, are you single? I have a crush on you, but I'm scared to slide in the DMs and shoot my shots. Guys, aphendule uBongani athi mina angisadlali, banyana ba dangerous. I will think after Valentine's Day. What is your type physically? Aphendule uBongani athi the mind and heart is my type. Hey Bongani, are you sure? You know, this is what I'm talking about when I say men need to be clear ngempela ukuthi bafunani. Because honestly, I feel like uBongani is, he's telling us what we want to hear, but I feel like he wants a beautiful woman. Mhlampe on Portia's level or above. I don't see him just being with any woman. I feel like he wants a woman that he can show off, that he can take everywhere. Umuntu nje ozomkhipha nje on his toes. So I feel like looks do matter, career matters, indlela ayiphatha ngayo matters. So I feel like ngempela mina, for him, when it comes to him nje, Portia really set the standard nje for the woman that he would end up with. Yanzi, we live in the same area. I don't know much about the meant to be and the signs, but I think it's giving both. Atike uBongani, neighbors share sugar, salt and maize meal when they don't have. Ezinye I'm not sure about. Hey, Sana. Wow, guys. Wow, I hope he doesn't have a stalkers. I hope he does not. But ke ingathi nje baba nje onesithunzi, so I doubt ukuthi abantu would, be weird around him mabembona. I'm sure they just look, but they're like, uyena loya. Guys, ayibadla. Athi-ke omunye, if love visited, would you give it a shot again? And are you clear on what that shot looks like? Athi-ke, I love love, and it's a mountain I'm willing to die on. So definitely at the right time, I will give it a chance. That's fair ngempela. Considering ngempela ukuthi what he's been through. How many properties do you have? Do Guysini. Oh my gosh. I think out of all the questions, this was just unnecessary, because why would he tell you if he did? Like, it doesn't make sense. Because Guysini, people are weird langaphandle. Like, why do you need to know that? I think all of us manje, if not most sonke, we know what he is a well-off man. Siyazi nje ukuthi he has at least one. So manje, why would you go and just ask? Obviously he's not gonna say anything. But I feel like we'd make a perfect match. Ndina 26, and when your mom said she wants what's best for you, she was talking about me. Aphenduleke ehleka uBongani athi, I wouldn't know, yas. Kodwa for now ngiyasaba. Another one. Uthike, are you single? Hey Sana, Athi Bongani, that's too direct. And ngempela guys, yo isibindi. Umuntu akakuboni yini when you asking these questions? Obviously, they can see your profile and everything. Would you give love a chance again? If not, why? Uthi-ke uBongani, I am a member of Kelly Khumalo, ngiyofela empini. So, not anytime soon, Kesana. Keep trying. Mhlambe, you might end up, getting a date with Mr. Luvalo and then come tell us ukuthi how was your experience. Because guys, honestly, I'm still waiting for Ama Ex's Aki to come out and say Guti what type of lover he is, what type of partner he is. Give us the insights, ngempela. Since Nyabon Guti, like many women want the man, like how was your experience and what led to the breakup? You are such a good man. I hope you know that. I don't have a question, just appreciation. You're a man. By the way, I've never met you, but Nazi Sambongi TV, Samtanda. At first it was a bit shaky for me, but then as a hambama episode, I was like, okay, this is a good man. Like, yes, obviously he's not perfect, but he seems like a decent man. But then again, I'm like, why is he single? And where is the baby mama? There's no drama there, which is why we've never heard about this woman who gave him a child. Nanokuthi mhlambe it's because ingane ihlala naye, but ke asazi. Athi-ke omunye, what advice would you give to a woman who believes in love but has experienced so much disappointment? Athi-ke uBongani, disappointments are part of life. The only guarantee we have is a bank check. Try to change the formula and try again. Do you have someone, a girlfriend in your life? Athi-ke uBongani, I will try next year after Valentine's Day. I think that's a smart strategy because anyone you get with now, obviously uzo demand a gift for Valentine's Day, and mhlambe you are not ready ukuthi ungaze invested that much in a person. So I think it's smart to wait until after a Valentine's Day. Nanokuthi-ke uBongani uyazi ukuthi he is a target, because now women know ukuthi he is well off, he has this and that, kubo righty. He has money, so he knows that women might just want him for his money, might just want to use him. So now shame bagiti, he needs to be careful ngempela. So now omunye uthi, just so you know, since you said after Valentine's Day, I'll be sending my CV kadi 15th Feb at 9 a.m. on the dot. Athi uBongani, I hear you twice. I will shame me. Some women are very persistent, and I'm thinking, Mina, my theory, it's just one or two women who are just asking these questions. It can't be for every question is a different person gay. I'm thinking there are just a few women who keep asking these questions because they have their eyes on Bongani. And he might be reeled in by these women. At this rate, you should probably get your own show to find love again. And looks like you don't even have to look far. May the kind of love you seek locate you. Guys. uBongani andizi. I did receive a request for a show like that, and I said, thanks, bye. Thank you kindly. Hey, Gazini, I am so glad he said no. The show might have been interesting, Kona, but after Married at First Sight, I think he needed that break, Gazini. But Omunye Ati, I just want to network with you. I feel like I can gain wisdom and knowledge of the world from you. Please give me a chance. Is this a woman or a man? Because if it's a woman, I shame, Gazini. They are coming at all angles. Ati uBongani, networking needs effort. If you were serious, I would have met you at the events I have advertised that I attended. My history teacher used to say, you don't give a lift to a person that hikes from the comforts of the tree shade, but rather the one that hikes as they walk. Oh yes, ngiyamuzwa shame, ngiyamuzwa. And plus, Gazini, he did advertise, Gazini, especially on TikTok. And it was, I think, Utemba who was advertising a lot ama-events nje that he was hosting himself, esho ukuthi uzobe khona uBongani, uzobe khona uNkululeko, uzobe khona ubanibani. And the ladies that were serious were commenting ukuthi we are gonna be there, we want to meet uBongani, we want to meet uNtate Mia, we want to meet uPastor Breezy. So a lot of people get shuthi baluze out on that opportunity. I guess they need to look out for more events that he will be hosting. Even the book launch, a lot of ladies were like, we're gonna be there because we want to meet you guys. Every opportunity I think that he gave out ngempela, I lo fika manje sethi ufuna chance, I think nje uyazisholo nje bakithi akekho serious. Athi ke omunye, do you believe in polygamy or monogamy? This was interesting as well. Athi ke uBongani, I believe in both. Polygamy is a good marriage institution as long as it's done honestly and all participants know. As for me, my character would fail me in it. Gazini. So I think that clears everything up, because remember on the show there was a mention of a polygamy, but I think he was just joking, Bagiti. But it did seem like uPortia nje wayeshaya nje phansi ngonyawo ethi nje it's not gonna happen. So I think naye yena beyisholo, but he knows ukuthi it's never gonna work. Polygamy, guys, it doesn't work ngempela in these modern times. Athi ke omunye, what do you actually do for a living? Athi ke uBongani, this and that, writes book here, speaks there, manufactures school shoes, jack of all trades and master of none. Yeah, guys, this is a decent man, guys. He's a provider nje. Like ubaba wekhaya nje, uyabonakala ukuthi ubaba wekhaya bakithi. Guys, I really hope he finds his one true love, and I'm ngimthandela ukuthi futhi athole like umama ophansi, like not a strong-willed or opinionated woman. Umama nje okhulekile nje, like an Ayanda Boroto kind of woman. Yebo leyo nto. But ke athi ke omunye, would you go for a 2K 2000 to 2003? Athi nje uNkulunkulu kaShembe cha ngane yakwethu. And I get it, so I get to know. No. Because Gazini, that woman or lady or girl would be in the same category as ingane yakhe intombazane, and I doubt ukuthi he would want ukuthi ingane yakhe intombazane ilose irrespect kuyena. And futhi I think yena himself, he wants umuntu wesifazane ozohlonipheka nje emphakathini, ozohlonipheka emndenini, and nje akwazi naye ukuyimela be confident in herself. So nje bakithi i2K would be a downgrade nje from uPortia bakithi, and nje bakithi ngeke nje ngoba already unesithunzi uBongani. I don't see him downgrading like that, and nje adlalwe nje i2K Gezi, no, angivumi nje bakithi. Athi ke umunye, can we go out for lunch? An innocent one, of course. Aphenduleke uBongani athi ngiyasaba. Gazini, can a lunch be innocent, especially if uyayicelela nje i-lunch kumfana? Ayike Gazini, like honestly, we not kids. Obviously sifuna umsearch. Athi ke omunye, are you Xhosa or Zulu? Athi ke biologically I'm a Zulu, but regard myself Xhosa because I was raised by my mother who is a Xhosa woman. This caught me off guard because I never would have thought ukuthi uBongani is Zulu. I just thought nje mina ukuthi he is 100% Xhosa.